Are you fitting your life into your business, or is your business running you? Hi everyone, Krista Mashore here, and today I want to teach you how to fit your life into your business. Run your business. Don't let your business run you. Hey, before we get into this, if you like my content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. When running your own business, you need to have the attitude that you run your business. It doesn't run you. I know if you're just starting out, it doesn't feel that way. It feels like you have to actually answer every single call at 10 p.m. on a Sunday night, chase down every slim chance of a potential client, and maybe go to hundreds of networking events. You're doing everything, right? But even if you are a raw or a newbie, take a deep breath and say, I run my business. It doesn't run me.
Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible.
And if you've been in your business for 16 years, stop right now and again affirm, from this point on, I run my business. It doesn't run me. Honestly, people respect you when you have boundaries. They respect you when you tell them that after 7 p.m. you turn your phone off and that Sundays are actually family days. Let's be honest. If clients don't respect your boundaries, then you don't want to work with them anyways. They're going to be a pain in the butt. When you are what I call a community market leader or an expert in your area, you're not just about making a living. You're creating the life that you really want. As a service-based business and as professionals, many of us get to determine our own working hours. Over the years, I've come to realize that it's not just how many hours that you actually put into your business, but it's what you do with those hours. Early on in real estate, I realized that most agents wander through their days. They stumble in, out of bed, and hit the snooze button a few times. They shower, grab a cup of coffee, maybe a donut, and they get the kids off to school. Then they drive to the office, chat with the receptionist, answer a few emails, maybe wander through Facebook, and they get another cup of coffee. They sit down after their desk and they say, okay, so now what do I need to do? Half the day is already gone. And what happens? They look up at the clock and it's already 5 o'clock. Time to head home. This is not the schedule of a community market leader or somebody who wants a thriving business. Do not fall into this trap. One of the things I teach my clients is to get up in the morning and start your day by getting your exercise in, getting ready, and then doing your morning ritual. Morning rituals are so important. Doing your morning ritual is important because the truth is that it's easy to be successful and make money, even though most people don't think that it is. It's the mindset that needs to be shifted. We gotta fix this. I'm finding with my coaching that if I can help my clients break through their mindset, then they have the motivation and energy to do whatever it is that they want, and they can follow the strategies that I'm teaching them. I have every student start their day by utilizing a morning ritual, and that's the same for all of them. They get up and they visualize. They read their manifesto. They write down 6 things that they're grateful for on their daily sheet. You see, when you show gratitude, you get more of what you're grateful for. Energy goes where focus flows. So you want to be really, really grateful for the things that you already have. Are you wanting a kickstart on your business and you want to learn how to be the go-to professional in your industry? Well, guess what? I've got a challenge for you. It's 5 days of coaching. It's brand new. Just go to KristaMashore.com/client conversion. That's KristaMashore.com/client conversion. And you'll get a training with me for 5 straight days that's going to help kickstart you as the go-to professional in your industry. So sign up and I'll see you there. Next, we have them write out 6 things that they're actually going to accomplish that day and time block them, putting the hardest task first so you get it over with. You eat that frog. I highly suggest writing out your day the night before. You'll sleep better and you'll get off to a better start in the morning. By time blocking, I mean that during the time you block out for that project, that is all that you do. No phone calls, no emails, no interruptions unless the building catches on fire. Then you can change. Most of us find that it's best to actually block the same time every day for calls and for emails. It's helpful because what happens is our clients begin to expect when to hear from us. So they won't be bugging you when you're not calling them back. There's a great technique that I use called the pomodoro technique. With this pomodoro technique, you stick to one task at a time. When you do this, you save up to 16 hours in a week. Now, I don't know about you, but I bet saving 16 hours a week is needed by just about everyone. So just by doing these simple things, it helps you learn to be more successful and productive. Showing gratitude, visualizing your day, time blocking, they all help you keep the momentum going and break through any of the bad stuff that's going on in here. It's important to do it every single day. It's a huge, huge part of the success of myself and my students. The practice at the end of the day that we teach is equally as important. At the end of the day, we have our students celebrate their wins by writing out 6 things that they did throughout the day that was successful. Remember, success breeds success. Some people are so focused on all the bad things that happen to them than rather on focusing on the good things so they get more bad. We want more good. Because where focus is, well, that's what they end up getting more of. They get more of what they focus on. We want you to focus on all the good things that are working so you get more of them. And at the end of the day, we have students calendar out their day for the next day. When you calendar out your day in the evening for the next day, your mind is already getting shifted as to what the day is going to look like the next day. You then give yourself permission to dream what you need to dream, and you let your subconscious work on the issues and the problems that you need to be resolved and that need to be worked out. So everyone, thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Krista Mashore. Let me know what you think by commenting below. And as always, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button on my channel and smash the thumbs up button if you'd like the content and you want to see more of it. And as always, Krista Mashore of Krista Mashore Coaching. I'm here to serve and I can't wait to hear more from you.
Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.